Using Microsoft Office Live Meeting, employees and consultants at Fourth Coffee regularly meet and collaborate worldwide. Rajesh, a marketing consultant living in India, is presenting information about the Indian market during a live meeting that's scheduled to start soon. He has already uploaded the handouts for the meeting, and now he's joining it early so he can get ready. To join this meeting, first, Rajesh opens the live meeting appointment, which looks similar to conventional meeting appointments in Microsoft Office Outlook. He can see the subject of the meeting and that it's a live meeting, in addition to the meeting date, time, and the name of the meeting organizer. Live meeting appointments can also include telephone conferencing information. However, the organizer for this meeting knew that everyone attending would use computer audio and video, along with a Microsoft Roundtable device, so providing telephone numbers wasn't necessary. And just in case anyone has problems joining a live meeting, all live meeting appointments contain troubleshooting information that provide an alternate route for joining meetings. Now Rajesh can simply click Join the Meeting. His live meeting environment looks the same as the last time he used Live Meeting. In the Attendees pane, he can see the number of people currently in the meeting, and each participant's name as they are joining the meeting. By glancing at the icons next to an attendee's name in the Attendees pane, Rajesh can also see whether someone is a presenter and whether they have their microphone muted. When he points to the audio status icon, he can get detailed information about the attendee's audio connection. In the presentation area, presenters can also show any type of content during live meetings. For this meeting, Rajesh uploaded a Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation, and he clicks it. Live Meeting shows the first slide. When Rajesh is ready to advance to the next slide, he can simply click the Next button. Using the Voice and Video pane, attendees can make sure their microphone volume is high enough so that everyone can hear them, and they can see video of people during the live meeting. Rajesh starts his video and adjusts his web camera's angle. Then, he unmutes his microphone and checks its volume.
Check, check, check.
In a live meeting, presenters can pass around handouts just as they would in a conventional meeting. But instead of passing around paper handouts, presenters upload electronic files for meeting attendees to download. Rajesh uploaded some meeting handouts yesterday, but now he needs to upload one more. Here's a tip. Presenters can click Mute All Except Me if they want to get rid of the chatter in a meeting and refocus everyone's attention on them, especially at the beginning of a meeting. Rajesh is now ready to start. Let's check out what one of the meeting attendees, who's not a presenter, is doing in the few minutes before the meeting starts. Meet Eva. She's attending this live meeting remotely from her home office in San Diego. She can easily join the meeting the same way Rajesh did by clicking the Join the Meeting link in her live meeting appointment. However, before she starts, she needs to install Live Meeting. Under First-Time Users, she clicks I am connecting from outside the corporate network. Then, she follows the instructions on the Microsoft Office online web page to download and install Microsoft Office Live Meeting. When the installation is finished, Eva clicks Join the Meeting. Eva takes a minute to customize her live meeting environment before the meeting starts. She notices there's no preview of her video in the Voice and Video pane, so she decides to double-check her audio and video setup. First, she tests the volume of the meeting speakers built into her laptop to make sure she can hear what's being said during the meeting. Next, she tests the volume of the microphone.
Hello, 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 hello.
Then she moves on to testing her video. Her web camera isn't plugged in, that's why it's not working. She plugs it in and she's done. Tuning her audio and video setup was easy. In the meantime, other attendees have joined, and Rajesh is beginning to start the meeting. Eva makes sure her microphone is muted because she doesn't need to talk yet. And that's it, she's ready. In the next video in this series, you can see how the meeting organizer scheduled this live meeting.